Hello everyone, this is Pradeep. So today I'm going to talk about UiPath Test Suite. So maybe I'm covering like two parts of this topic. So I think this will be the first one. So today I'm going to talk about overview of the UiPath Test Suite and what is software testing and what is the design process plan. So let's begin with what is UiPath Test Suite. So UiPath Test Suite is nothing but a software testing solution application. This will help or makes every robot and application strong, and we can test it out in every other way. Okay, so this is what is called a path test suite. So what is the advantages of this? So so this will help for all the testers as well as developers as well as testing automation specialists. So if your background is development and any other non-related to software testing, so you may not knowing about what is software testing. So basically if I want to talk about in standard language, so software testing is nothing but verifies or meets a certain requirements and behaves as expected. So in software testing, so we have two two functions. Let's say functional testing and non-functional testing. So functional testing. So basically, functional testing, if you want to give example is, yeah, let's say with if you're trying to log in with the proper credentials and you'll land with the proper page, that is called functional testing. And non-functional testing is, for example, if you want to check how many users max to max can log in at the same time. Let's say, for example, if Facebook can log in up to 1 lakh or million, that is non-functional testing. So what is the goal of this software testing? Software testing goal is nothing but we have to collect the quality related information in order to decrease the risk of the product when we are moving to production. So this is what about the basics of software testing. And so basically, why do we need software testing? So it is necessary. So because when we as we are developing in, let's say we are developing in UiPath Studio, and as a developers we test ourselves and we test our in different scenarios before going to production, so that it won't fail in production and cause business failures. That's the same agenda of the software testing also. Let's say that if if you are moving without testing or without testing any products, it will fail you. It will fail. The product will fail, or and as well as so business also fails. So ensure we have to ensure we have a quality product before reaching or before moving the product to testing. So this is a must and a very important stage while moving the product or any codes to production. So software design process plan. So in software design process plan, we have like 5 sets of um, process. First one is plan, and second one is design, and the next one is implementation, and fourth one is execute, and the last one is analyze. So these are the 5 process which involves in software designing or a process plan which involves software testing. So when it comes to plan, the planning is nothing but we need to sit on plan of the functional and non-functional. As I said in the software testing overview, there are two involves two functional as well as a non-functional. So this involves we need to bifurcate the functional and non-functional areas. So basically, let's say we are a product and we need to figure out the issues and create scenarios. That's what it is. And design. So design basically involves, based on the requirement of the client or any product, we create high-level manual or test cases for the testing purpose. So implementation is nothing but we need test cases. Like in UiPath Test Suite, we use UiPath Studio Pro to build the testing everything. So we use that in implementation stage. Execute is nothing but automated tests are created in order to test the cases, and we publish on testing robots. So automated test sets are reusing schedules, and as well as we will execute every time and test it out, and we will move the testing results to analyze. So this is the analyze part. So test results are analyzed, and UiPath test suites identify the different levels of information and before moving to the production. So this is it. So I'll be covering the in details of this plan, this process with an example, as well as so I'll give overview of UiPath Test Suite. So what are all the main what do we call steps involving when following UiPath Test Suite. So I'll be covering in the next video. Thank you guys.